Hi, I'm Brett Lusso, Vice President of Business Development for Harrington Hoists. Today we're visiting our South Holland manufacturing plant. In this facility, we manufacture below the hook and custom lifting devices for the brands Harrington, Peerless, and Keto. We're very proud to add this facility to Keto's portfolio of products. As we often say, often imitated, never duplicated, and the revolution rolls on.
Custom lifting's history in South Holland began in the early 1970s, and the company was formed to manufacture componentry for the rigging houses like oblongs, master links, pairs, and hooks. Eventually, it got a little bit bigger where we started making specialty devices of those components out of different materials like stainlesses and different grades alloys for heating environments. We sold through distribution channels basically for the rigging houses. As the company evolved and we added engineering support and more sales reps, we started to get into the below the hook products a little bit better. And then when Peerless took us on in December of 2010, they added to our manufacturing process by introducing CNC machining and flame cutting, gave us better productivity and quality, and then also expanding some of the distribution markets from the chain industry, also continuing into the below the hook market. And then when the Keto Group purchased us in 2014, that opened us up to a new realm of potentiality with crane builders through Harrington Hoists. And it's been a great addition to us, and we're real excited about the future working with Harrington Hoists.
And it's an enthusiasm for excellence that makes South Holland stand out from the competition. So what industries use their product?
Okay, a lot of the industries are obviously in the steel fabrication, steel mills, paper mills, rolling mills. We do also sell to wind energy, something new, and now we're into the crane builders. We've done work with all of the auto manufacturers and all branches of the military, including NASA. Some of the features that make our products better are, just the quality of our product, that we do the little things, like chamfering a hole. All our welders are certified. We proof test 100%. A lot of companies don't really do that, and we proof test everything 100%, which could be a process sometimes because we do make specialty lifting devices, so a lot of times we have to make a special proof testing attachment for those devices. So you have to be pretty creative on making these devices to proof test your special lifting applications. So.
Now that Peerless is part of the Keto Corporation, Ken sees the company being in a stronger position to help achieve his customers' needs. He also sees the company growing with its newfound strength.
Just having the support of Harrington has really been really positive for me. Their background is similar in their crane industry and how they weld stuff, so a lot of similarities to grow the business, on the manufacturing end as well as the engineering end. So really looking forward to what the future holds for us here in South Holland.
Jim Key is the senior design engineer. He works closely with customers and the shop floor to fulfill his customers' needs. We sat down and talked to Jim to learn more.
Yes, I've been with the company for over 20 years. I have a structural and mechanical background in engineering. Our department currently has 2 engineers, including myself, and 1 other designer draftsman. I'd like to consider the engineering department a hub of the operation. We interact with all the different departments, including customer service, sales, estimating, production, and even purchasing.
After the design has been completed, the next step in the process is implementation. Jim explains.
Well, first, when we come up with the design, it's important to come up with a concept at first. Sometimes it may be a variation of our standard product, and sometimes it might be something completely new. So once we have a concept in mind, we go ahead and we start designing. We create all the detailed prints. We create all the instructions as to how to build and manufacture the designs. And from there, the shop takes over, and they go ahead and do their construction, the manufacturing processes, and we work with them as well out in the shop. It's very important for the engineering staff to work along with the shop. It's important that we do interact because without them, our designs are meaningless. So we really depend on them to do a good job creating the proper manufactured devices from our designs.
The products produced at the South Holland facility have an immediate effect on industry and its people. Again, Jim explains.
It's very important that safety is our first priority, especially with custom lifting. We want to make sure that we look at safety, and we want to make sure the product not only functions correctly, but is a safe device for the operator. Without a safe device, you really don't have a solution.
Being an engineer is challenging work, but it's the satisfaction of producing products that help improve people's lives that inspires Jim. Again, Jim Key.
Being here for 20 years, you realize that many different opportunities come about and different lifting solutions are required out in the field. And so every day's something new and different. And I think that's what I really enjoy about what we do here in South Holland. We never know what the next phone call is going to bring us. And so we are really prepared to take on that call, work with the customers, work with the manufacturing, and make sure that we supply them with the product that's ideal for their solution.
The products that we're manufacturing at our custom lift manufacturing plant not only enhance the product offering for the Keto Group, but also offer complete lifting solutions, from hoist and cranes to rigging components to below the hook products, offering solutions for the Keto Group worldwide.